So let's explore the easiest way to turn any color into any color using a solid color in Photoshop. Okay. Only thing we have to do is open up Photoshop, of course, and pull up a layer. We have this layer pulled up. Now this is a yellow telephone sitting on a yellow background. So what we'll do here is we will slide down to adjustment layers here, and let's go up to hue saturation. Click on hue saturation. Now we have 3 sliders we're going to pay attention to today. That's our hue slider, saturation, and our lightness. Okay, so to change the color, here's literally all you have to do. Pick the slider and slide over until you find the color that you like. Let's go back the opposite direction. Let's set on maybe kind of a red. That'll work. Now the saturation, that controls the color in the photo. So if we pull it to the left, it'll mute the colors. You pull it back to the right, it will basically give it a neon effect. Okay. Now, if you want to, let's just say, well, I don't really want this. I want to go back to normal. Only thing you have to do is double click on the slider, and that pulls it, sets it back to 0. And the lightness, of course, controls how dark or light the image is. You go over here, makes it darker, makes it lighter, basically washes it out. Double click, set it back to 0, find the color you like, you're ready to go. That's it. All right, so there you have it. One of the quickest and easiest ways to change any color into any color using a solid color in Photoshop. Like always, until next time, I'll see you in the next video.